Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Grand Dama espresso machine. It comes to us with it's not giving any water from the spouts when you try to brew coffee. And on top of that, even the hot water spout was given weak or sometimes not. But the machine comes without that. This is not for this machine. I just borrowed it from the store. And also this control panel was broken from many spots, here, there, and over, and even the cable was almost gone. Then the machine needs a tune-up, so I did a tune-up for the machine after I replaced the water pump to make it works, and this solenoid valve, the three-way solenoid valve piece, will get replaced. So I made after that tune up for the machine, 2 cleaning cycles, and descaled the machine twice and replaced the pro unit. This is the old one. So let's go ahead and test the machine now and make a espresso shot on it. And this is still the new one, still have that stuff on it. It looks new. Actually, this is how it was calibrated. So I don't like to change the calibration because this is how the customer did it. So he can recalibrate it himself as he likes. Okay. And let's test the hot water. That's perfect. So yeah, the customer brought it even without this and without the carafe. So that's the function that works perfect, and I believe even with the carafe it's gonna do the cappuccino and whatever in this machine. So everything works perfect now. Thank you for watching.